This is the best gel I've seen so far for natural hair. I tried it and the result is so amazing. So I have my bowl on my stove, and this is the quantity of flaxseed I'm going to be using for 2 glasses of water, and then I'm going to be boiling it for some times. Then after boiling it, I will come back. So while this is steaming here, I'm going to go ahead and extract the aloe vera gel I'm going to be using as the base for this gel. So guys, I want to show you exactly how I extract my aloe vera gel without blender and without straining it. So first I'll just cut open the aloe vera and then use my knife to scrape out the gel. This is like the easiest way I have trained aloe vera without having residue to strain, or without having to blend the gel to get what I want. So it's just as easy as this. I'm already done, and this is the aloe vera. So we're going to set this aside and check what we have on fire. So while doing this, I just left this here thinking it was easier to just let it boil, but it burnt on me. So guys, you don't have to let this just sit. You have to be going in with your spoon to turn and turn. So I added a little bit of water because the last one dried and it was already pouring out gel when I got here. So just imagine this magical seed that you just boil and then you have gel. If you're suffering from dry, frizzy hair, flaxseed is the best gel for you. If you are also suffering from breakage or friction, or your hair is so rough, flaxseed is also the gel for you. Flaxseed also helps to increase hair growth, and it also helps to protect your hair from harmful weather conditions, because this gel gives your hair extra layer that will keep your hair moisturized and stay that way for a longer period of time. So I'm just going to be using my socks to strain this out, and this gel was too thick. I let it sit for like 30 minutes inside cold water, and this gel was so thick, like it has this eco styler consistency. So I'm just going to take it out from this bottle because that bottle is too small to strain in, and voila, it just came off immediately. You touch it, the gel will just come out, like it came out. So but one thing I noticed was this gel was becoming darker, and that was because it burns on fire. It burns so much when I left it. So this is what the gel looks like. It's just so thick, so thick. I couldn't wait to see how it felt on the hair. So my hair was really dry, very dry. So this is what I looked like before I started making this video. My hair was so dry and rough, and here I've added few, I just poured a few water on my hair when I had my bath, not like really damp. And then the next thing I'm going to do is part my hair. Then here we have the gel. So I couldn't use this gel immediately I finished making it. I had to wait for about 12 hours because my baby woke up and I couldn't continue. So the gel changed color, especially the aloe vera gel. It changed color, but the flaxseed was still the same way. So I just want to do this in sections. So I'll be going in first with the aloe vera gel, and this is so I can add extra hydration to my hair and make my hair softer, because my hair has really gone through a lot this week and I want it to be hydrated since I'm going to be carrying it out more often. So I'm trying to like wear my hair out and try out new things with my hair, and this happened to be the first new thing I want to try with my hair. So this is what adding gel, aloe vera gel, did to my hair. At this point, this gel was no longer aloe vera gel, it was now aloe vera juice, because the aloe vera gel melted the minute I left it overnight. So this is what we are having after the aloe vera gel. This is what our hair looks like, nice and smooth. So I refuse to use any comb because my hair has been through a lot. I had to do a little finger detangling. So now is the main time to add the gel. I can't wait. I can't wait. So this is what the gel is looking like. Still very slimy, still very cool, still very thick. This just looks like eco styler. It felt like eco styler, and the smell is not that bad. It's not that bad. Plus this gel is really cheap, easy to make. You know what you're putting to your hair, and it's always going to be available if you just have flaxseed in your house. And see the way the coils is popping. No deep conditioning, no wash day, no leave-in. This is popping this way. This is better than most store-bought gel. The minute this gel touched my hair, I swore never to stop using it. So guys, I'm going to be wearing my hair on wash and goes on daily basis now. This is now going to be my permanent hairstyle. So I decided to apply this on each section, small by small. This is what we have. So when I got to this section, I was so messed up. Like, the mess I created making this was so much, and the gel was already finished. Like, I ran out of gel because I was just packing it on. It was just so easy to pour it on. I ran out of gel, and then the mess I made with this was just too much. But because it's my first time, I don't mind. The aloe vera gel was finished and we were done with this hair. It is not flaking. It did not flake. It is not looking white. This is the camera and the lighting showing white. This hair was so beautiful. So now I just want to kind of slick it down because I don't want to carry a wash and go today, but I'm definitely going to be doing a wash and go with this flaxseed. And slicking this down was just easy because I think my hair has a little length now. So I just had to hold it back and use this rope to hold it. So I don't like using bands on my head. I prefer using rope or wig cap. So now I just want to add a little bit of gel here and slick it to the front. But what I was planning to do here did not work as planned. I wanted to like hold it back and then tie it with this rope. But when I did that, the whole essence of making the front was lost. Trying new things on natural hair is not really easy. This is midnight and I was really tired, really exhausted, and the only prayer I had was that this should just get done with, and it wasn't coming out again as planned. Everything was just going the other way. So I just had to slick, tie until I got to a point where I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm not gonna do this again. So I just got the remaining gel, rubbed it on, and at the end of the day, I have something that looks like a slick down. This is my slick down and I'm proud of it. So at the end of the day, this behaves like a gel, I think, because it is better than every other gel I've used. And I'm just going to tie it down a bit and leave it to sit till morning. Then we're gonna see what it looks like. So this is 8 a.m. in the morning. I made this hair at midnight, and this is 8 a.m. in the morning. And this gel was already holding. It was already gelling the gelling. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, it was shiny, poppy. And this gel here, I don't know who sent me. I wanted to add extra layer to the gel, and this is what is gelling. I just took a little bit of oil and cleared it out. That was just it. It was not hard to go off because I think this gel, I just packed it on this angle. So I used a little bit of oil and it was out. So I just added oil to this hair, and this oil made it shine even more. So this is what we are looking like at the end of the day, and we are so excited, promising to do better next time. See you in our next one. Bye.